lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Angel Bex, and today's video is all about me doing some DIY from home. So you guys, you may be wondering what have I been doing in the lockdown. You know, we had lockdown around April, May, June, July, and you know everyone was idle at home. So you guys, you know what I got to learn? I got to learn how to bake mandazi, how to bake mandazi in form of half cakes and then baking them like round. So you guys check out my video of the mandazis that I learned to make. I got to learn the recipes from YouTube.